Okay, so here we got all of our collection from today, and what we're doing is using these sheets here to log what bits of plastic and other debris we get. And then we've also got this one here, which is our microplastic sheets. So any microplastics we put onto there, we'll be photographing those, and that information actually goes to SeaBin International. So we're part of a worldwide data collection process that's happening with approximately 300 SeaBins around marinas around the world, which is pretty cool. And the good news is that today, not very much, and so that's always great, but you'll be surprised that when we start looking at in here, just at what actually is here. The first thing to notice, cigarette butts. Worldwide, they are the #1 form of plastic pollution. Yes, cigarette butts are actually plastic. And the fibres inside the cigarette butt basically are microplastic fibres. So we get a fair few of those. So we'll just be placing all of that stuff here for now. In fact, what I'll do is I shall place another one of these here, and we'll just start putting there. So now what we have to do is just go through everything, basically looking fairly closely at all of the leaves and other organic debris, looking for any type of plastic. And right there, polystyrene. Polystyrene is one of the things that we are picking up the most here at Tutukaka. Now we use polystyrene for all sorts of things here in New Zealand, but primarily it's for packaging. Packaging of fast foods, packaging of whiteware, all sorts of products get packaged in polystyrene, and this is where it ends up. So these guys are microplastics, so they'll be going into our microplastic squares. We use these squares to make sure that the microplastics are actually microplastics, and then we photograph them. We're able to count how many there are. And of course we're identifying each piece of plastic that we get as well. So this looks like it's a piece of plastic from a label of some sort. If it's unidentified, we do differentiate between hard plastics and soft plastics. So working our way through here. Also, of course, we're looking out for any little creatures that might be in here, such as shrimps, small juvenile fish and things like that. Another piece of polystyrene. Makes you think twice about picking up your takeaways in a styrofoam package, doesn't it? Another cigarette butt. Okay.